Alright, let's just make some curiosity in between. This is today, April 1st. I'm a little bit in a hurry, so I have to do this very quick. Updates, watch time here 142,000 and subscribers plus 55,000. Today subscribers 58,000 and as you can see in nothing flat here and here start to grow. 2 videos made viral, and this is what I think and I will be doing today, because I will gonna put today another video viral here and to keep growing my channel. So end of the story is this is the day number 6, and tomorrow is my day number 7, which is the a final day for my own challenge here. So we'll see how it's all gonna go. If you are interested, please reach out to me. Maybe we can find some solution for your channel to grow something like this. What do you think? Take care. Bye bye.